when we bring somebody in for a DBS, consent is one of the most important factors. Making sure that the person knows they're here for a Hep C test and will be provided results.
Hey Tony.
Hi Felicity, how are you going?
I'm good. I've heard that you do this thing called the DBS.
The dry blood spot hepatitis C test, absolutely. Do you want to do it?
I would love to do that.
It's really simple and quick. I'll bring you in now.
Awesome, thank you.
I'm really glad you came in today.
Thanks.
I just need to make sure that we have your informed consent today and that you understand what that means. So we'll be taking a test for Hep C.
Yeah.
And you will be getting results in 1 to 2 weeks.
Awesome. I'd be happy to do that.
Great, so that makes sense and you're comfortable?
Yeah.
Ready to go? So let's work through the consent form together.
Yeah.
And make sure you understand it and then we'll get it signed. Just before we get started, this is the card I'll be using to collect your blood on. And Felicity, can you walk me through?
Yep, FELICITY.
Thanks. Great, so we're ready to start. And the first thing we're going to do is wash your hands just to get the blood moving and get circulation going a little bit, yeah?
Okay.
Come with me. I have to prepare for PPE. Please don't take it personally. It's just something that's required.
That's totally
to keep us both safe. Okay. So gloves and glasses. So we're going to start the dry blood spot test now by taking a couple of drops of blood from a finger. Do you have a preferred hand?
This one, please.
Okay, then let's find a non-dominant finger and start off. Okay, perfect. So I'm just going to prepare your finger for the test by giving it a good wipe down first. Great. And the site needs to be swabbed. Perfect. Every time we do a dry blood spot test, we use an unopened, sterile, clean, and new lancet, and that is this little guy here.
Okay.
And we're ready to go. So we're just going to take the blood now for the dry blood spot test. Little prick, I promise it won't hurt more than being flicked with a rubber band.
Yeah.
Take a deep breath and we'll go. There we go. And I'm just going to wipe that away. And that's easy. And we're going really well. Perfect. How's your finger, Felicity?
Yeah, it's great.
Great. So we're over the hard bit now.
Yep.
I'm just going to put that in there and let it dry for 4 hours or overnight. And to finish, I'm going to put a Band-Aid on your finger.
Wonderful.
Okay, is it okay?
Yeah.
Still feeling okay?
Yeah.
Great. So we're done. How was it?
That was so easy.
Fantastic. We'll contact you when the results are ready.
Yeah.
I can send you a text message if you've got a phone. Is that
Yeah,
okay?
that would be really
And then you
handy.
can come in and see us.
Awesome.
And we can take it from there. Do you want me to see you out?
Yes, please.
Let's go. So today we collected a dry blood spot test with Felicity, and by following a few simple steps, it made it really easy. Everything's ready and I'll be sending this off to the lab now.